Please subscribe before you leave. Don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe. Hello everyone. I was gonna do a video in the other room and then I realized my video camera, it's dead. I'm unable to charge it right now because I don't know where the charger is. I was like, oh, I'll do one on my phone. I decided to do like this as opposed to just record a camera was because I don't like the camera setting for me. This video is my second PR package that I've received as of recent. It's partnered with AMB Agents. I think I came across it on Instagram. I don't remember, Instagram or Facebook. So basically you get to choose from whatever they have going on right now. You get a kit from some brand that I guess is up and coming. I don't really know. Get the kit for free, or whatever it is. You get the products for free. All you have to do is pay for the shipping, and that's that. Maybe tax, because I think I paid for tax on something. I forget if it was this one or the other one. But anyway, so that's what this is. This one's from Kashmere Kollections, which is a new skincare brand from Kim from the Real Housewives of Atlanta. So that's what this is. And it comes with an invoice. This one came, these are travel sizes. Whereas the one before this from JWoww, that one was full size. So then I'm a little disappointed about, but let's go through it. So this, normally the Kashmere Influencer Kit, if I would have paid for it, it would have been $29.95, but I got it for free. And all I had to do was pay for shipping, which was, shipping and tax, was $4.21. And this came from Tennessee. So that's what this is. And you get a lot of different products, which is great. But this one is just travel size. And it came in this little cute gray or silver sachet bag. They're really pretty and cute, like a light blue, sea blue color, and gray and white writing, and black writing. So I get a cashmere firming lotion, travel size. And they're made in California, so made in the USA. They're manufactured in California. Okay, that's that one. And I also received the Cashmere Sunless Tanning Lotion. And let's see, what's this one? Cashmere Luxurious Skin Toning Oil. I should have done this after I showered. Sorry, but I haven't done it yet today. FYI. TMI. And this one's the Cashmere Purifying Mask. I was hoping there's something. Yeah, I guess so. I was hoping there's something to clean my skin. Wait a minute. You get two of these? I got two. Was that on purpose or was that a mistake? Cashmere Purifying Mask and Cashmere Purifying Mask. I have two. So I have 4 different products. 2 are the same. Let me see which one to use first. This one's for later. If I don't like it, I'll give you one of these perhaps. Or if I like it, I might just give you one of these anyway. Because I like it. So let me see, what would I put on first? Not that. Okay. So the purifying mask, I guess, is what's going to go on first. I didn't clean my face yet. Like, clean it yet. I have, like, makeup still on me, like my eyeliner that I put on last night. My mascara is just... And then this, my arm is stained from the new Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette. It's all over my arm, like all the reds and oranges and purples. So this one is half an ounce. Oh, I can't be. 0.5 ounces or 14.2 grams. It's the Cashmere Purifying Mask. With my glasses on, so I can read. Directions: apply a thin layer to freshly cleansed face Avoiding the eye area, allow to dry, rinse thoroughly with warm water. For optimal use or optimal results, use daily for 1 week, then as needed to keep skin radiant. Always use a daily SPF while using this product. Oh wow. For external use only, avoid contact with eyes. Keep out of reach of children. Heart can manufactured in the USA for Kashmere, Al Segundo, California, 90245. I'm not going to read that every time. So let me go quickly cleanse my face and we'll do this mask and I will be right back. I am back and you are not. I'm going to open up the Kashmere Purifying Mask to apply to my face. I'm literally just putting this much, like you just squeeze it. It's a little squeeze tube, and it's like a sea blue green color. This is what it looks like. It smells gross. I wish I knew what was in here. Kind of smells. No offense, Kim. Kind of smells like mold. Hi again. It smells kind of like mold. It smells kind of like mold. That's like a weird smell. It's Kashmere Purifying Mask. Waiting for it to dry. You can tell if it's drying because like I feel like the little bit I put on didn't really do much. So I had to add more and I don't feel like my face is that coated. Alright, I'm gonna go wash it off. I'll be right back. Well, I rinsed my face with warm water as directed. Let's see. It feels pretty soft. But I don't really know if I like it enough because the smells kind of gross, but I might use it just because I have it, but I would definitely not want to use the second one of the Kashmere Purifying Masks that I received. The next thing that I'm going to be trying is the Kashmere Luxurious Skin Toning Oil. You get 30 milliliters or 1 fluid ounce. And it says directions: shower and exfoliate with Cashmere Silken Body Polish, which I don't have. Apply Cashmere Luxurious Skin Toning Oil and gently massage into cleansed skin. This dry oil can be applied both day and night. And again, same thing that says on the other one about the warning and being made in America in California. Oh, this one's here too. Let me see. Might be. Oh, yes, it is. That's good though, at least. Keep their products pure and sanitary. Okay. I'm not really one on toners, so I don't really use them, so I'm not really sure what they're like. So this will be an experience. So I'm just going to squeeze a little on my hand and add as needed. This one smells a little better. It feels nice. I think I would use it again. That actually worked pretty well. I didn't have to add more than I did originally. So the next product that I'm going to be trying is, yeah, it feels really nice actually. It's very hydrating. The Cashmere Sunless, no, wait. Not that one. The Cashmere Firming Lotion, which you get 1 fluid ounces or 29.6 milliliters. Directions. For best results, exfoliate with Cashmere Silken Body Polish before, which I don't have again, before applying firming lotion. Massage into skin, being sure to target problem areas that need a smoother appearance. Oh, yes, I know that. Is this one sealed too? Yes. Okay. Let me remove the foil. If anyone wants my mask, let me know. Yeah, because I only want it. Either both of them or just the one that's not open yet. Doesn't really matter to me. So I'm gonna put some of this on my face. So that's a lot. It came out real fast. So that's what it looks like. Ew. Putting it everywhere where I just did the toner. And it smells kind of like the toner. It's like, I want to say floral. I'm not really sure. Like a fruity, florally something combination. There's something in the back of it though that bothers me. But no, the toner wasn't so bad though. And it is very moisturizing. But there is something like, it smells weird. The toner I don't think was like that though. We're gonna do the Sunless Tanning Lotion next, which is the last thing I have anyway. And you get 1 fluid ounce or 29.6 milliliters again. Cashmere Sunless Tanning Lotion. I was hesitant to put this on my face, but I'm actually supposed to be off for a few days unless something comes up. So it might not matter. I'll do my face. So it says directions for best results, exfoliate before using sunless tanning lotion. We didn't really exfoliate. Oh well. Maybe I could use my JWoww one though. From the Naturally JWoww exfoliator thing and do it all together. Maybe that's a good idea for a video too. Anyway, apply evenly to clean face. I can't speak. And body. Allow to dry completely before getting dressed. Okay. Wash hands thoroughly after use. I wish I had a mitt, but I don't. I'm gonna look a little weird for a few days. That's right. Do you put this on your eyes? Oh, avoid contact with eyes. So I'm gonna look like a raccoon too. So it comes out white, which is interesting. Hope I don't break out from this stuff. This one smells a little better so far. I'm putting a lot on the neck too. You match to my ears. Let me know when you see a color change, because I can't tell because my monitor is dark. I don't want to do my eyes, but it says don't. That's why I want to. Am I looking any different yet? My hands look the same. I'm waiting for like something to happen. I'm waiting. How dark is it supposed to make you? I'm not dark yet. It's on this tanning lotion. I don't know, I look the same. I don't see a difference at all, I really don't. I'm gonna go because I don't want you to have to wait with me to see if my skin color changes, but I don't want to hold you. Thank you again for stopping by. Check out my channel, Lulu Live. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I don't know what you're waiting for. And I will see you all soon. Bye. Please subscribe before you leave. Don't forget to subscribe.